This is maths period of class 2nd. Good morning students. Today we learn the exercise on page number 79. The multiplying two-digit number by one-digit number. And here some examples are given. Then we have to find the product of these two numbers. Then the first is 20 multiplied by 4. If you observe this example, you can see the 0 at the ones place. So in this type of problem, we have to write first 0 at the ones place and multiply the digit at the tens place. So I write here 0 and 2 4s are 8. In next example, 40 multiplied by 2. So I write first 0 and again 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Next is 30 multiplied by 2. So first I write 0 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Next 30 multiplied by 3. Then I write first 0 and 3 3s are 9. Now first 20 multiplied by 5. So I write here 0 and 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 2 5s are 10. Then 30 multiplied by 4. So I write first 0 and 3 4s are 12. Now the next is 20 multiplied by 6. So again I write 0 at the ones place and 2 6 are 12. So our answer is 120. Now the next is 30 multiplied by 5. So first I write here 0 at the ones place and the 3 multiplied by 5, that is the 15, and our answer is 150. Now the next is 14 multiplied by 4. So first I write 0 at the ones place and the 4 4s are 16. So our answer is 160. Now the next is 50 multiplied by 2. So again I write 0 at the ones place and 5 2s are 10. Now the next is 30 multiplied by 7. So 0 at the ones place and the 3 7s are 21. So our answer is 210. The next is 60 multiplied by 4. So 0 at the ones place and the 6 4s are 24. So our answer is 240. So remaining problem you have to do yourself. Student, now I explain the exercise on page number 80 and 81, that is multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit number. And here we have to multiply. So first example is 11 multiplied by 7. And in this type of problem, that is multiplication problem, first we have to multiply the ones and the tens one by one. So we start 1 7s are 7 and again 1 7s are 7. So 11 multiplied by 7 and answer is 77. The next is 14 multiplied by 2. So first 4 2s are 8 and again 2 1s are 2. So 14 multiplied by 2, answer is 28. The next is 21 multiplied by 3. So 1 3s are 3 and again 3 2s are 6. So 21 multiplied by 3, 63. Now the next is 24 multiplied by 2. Then 4 2s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So 24 multiplied by 2, answer is 48. The next is 25 multiplied by 2. So 5 2s are 10. So here we have to carry the ones at a tens place. So I write here carry. So first 5 2s are 10. So 0 I write at the ones place and this one I write here at the tens place. So first we have to multiply these two numbers and then add the carry. So 2 2s are 4 and the 4 plus 1 is 5. Now the next is 21 multiplied by 7. So 1 7s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. So our answer is 147. The next is The next is 92 multiplied by 6. So first we multiply these two digits, 2 6 or 6 2s. You can do any. Then 2 6 are 12. Our answer is 12. So I write here 2 at the first place and this one I write as a carry here tens place. So first we multiply these two digits and then add the carry. So 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54 and plus 1. This one we have to add. Then our answer is 55. So I write here 55. Now the next is 58 multiplied by 2. So first we have to multiply these two digits. 8 2s are or 2 8s are. So 2 8s are 16. So I write here 6 and this one as a carry I write here at the tens place. So 2 5s are first we have to multiply these two digits. 2 5s are 10 and we have to add this one. So our answer is 11. So I write here 11 and our answer is 160. Now the next is 67 multiplied by 3. So first we have to multiply these two digits. 7 3s are or 3 7s are. So 3 7s are 21. So I write here 1 and these two I write as a carry at a tens place. So first we have to multiply these two digits. 6 3s are or 3 6s are. So 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 80 and we have to add the carry that is plus 2. So our answer is 18 plus 2 is 20. So I write here 20. So our answer is 201. Now students, I explained the exercise on page number 82 and here in question number 2 continue the pattern. And here two patterns are given. If you observe carefully, you can see here it is the multi-table of 9. So here I write 9, then 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. If you learn the table, you can write directly or you can write with using fingers with the difference of a 9. So 9 and 18. So 9 10 11 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. It is a 9 finger. So I write here 18. The next number is 27. So I start from 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 and 27. So here is a 27. The next number we have to find out. Then 28 29 30 31 32. Then 33, 34, 35, 36 and 36. So I write here 36. 9 4s are 36. Then next is 9 5s are. So 9 5s are 45. You can see on the finger with the difference of 9. Then 36. Then 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Then 42, 43, 44 and 45. This is the difference of 9. So 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. And 9 8s are 72. Then the next is 16, 24 and 32. First we have to find out the difference between the two numbers. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. then 8 8s are 64 and 8 9s are 72. So our pattern is 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64 and 72. The numbers are with a difference of 8, that is a multi-table of 8. Now I explain the question number 3 on page number 82. Here the some numbers are given and we have to multiply these numbers. So I multiply first 2, 4, 6 by 3. Now we have to multiply by step. So first I multiply 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. Then 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. Then 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18. Now by 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Then 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16. Then 4 multiplied by 6, that is 24. Then 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. Then 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20. Then 5 multiplied by 6, that is 30. So next problem is, first we multiply 7 multiplied by 3. Then 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Then 7 multiplied by 4, 28. Then 7 multiplied by 5, that is 35. Then 7 multiplied by 6. 7 6 are 42. And 7 multiplied by 7, that is 49. Then the next is 8 multiplied by 3, that is 24. Then 8 multiplied by 4, that is 32. Then 8 multiplied by 5, that is 40. Then 8 multiplied by 6, that is 48. Then 8 multiplied by 7, that is 56. Then the next step is 9 multiplied by 3, that is 27. Then 9 multiplied by 4, 36. Then 9 multiplied by 5, 45. 9 5s are 45. Then 9 multiplied by 6, 54. Then 9 multiplied by 7, 63. So here we have to complete the exercise on page number 82.